This is how you can scan a QR code which is on the screen of the iPhone, because a lot of people know that they can go to the camera and scan a code there, but what if you have it as an image like this, right? And if you have it stored on the screen, or if you are browsing the web and you want to take a look at the read the QR code, you can at first capture a screenshot of this by pressing the volume up and volume down. The volume up and the power button on the other side like this. So you would press it to take a screenshot, and then in the gallery you would have the image with the QR code. And essentially right now you can either hold it down on it, and as you can see it got recognized. So it tells me that it is actually hiding a link behind that QR code, and I can open it up in a Safari or copy the link or share it, right? Or once I have the image open on my device, there is always going to be the button to read the text. I'm talking about the button right there, right? So if you click on it, every visible text on the screen is going to be highlighted, and also the QR code. So you'll be able to hold down on it at this point and also open up the link in a Safari or do whatever else was inside of that QR code. So that is how it generally works. Usually it's very simple and it should get the job done. So let me know if it worked for you, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in future uploads.